ISRO successfully tests Chandrayaan 3 rocket engine ahead of June launch. The flight acceptance hot test of the CE-20 cryogenic engine that will power the cryogenic upper stage of the launch vehicle for the Chandrayaan 3 mission was successfully conducted according to the Indian Space Research Organization. The hot test was carried out for a planned duration of 25 seconds at the high altitude test facility of the ISRO propulsion complex at Mahendragiri in Tamil Nadu on February 24th. The Bengaluru headquartered National Space Agency said.